I hope you'll come to my open house. Watch my video, but this is a property you'll want to see in person. This one-of-a-kind unit at La Maison underwent a complete transformation in 2002 at the hands of award-winning designer and contractor Antoine Testard. The floor plan was reimagined to create more living space while effortlessly blending beauty and function. Italian granite countertops sweep through the kitchen with cork tile underfoot, gathering at the floating glass breakfast bar. Custom cherry-finished built-ins provide ample storage throughout the space. The contemporary design is carried into the bathrooms with jade green tiles, cork flooring, and glass slab countertops perched atop cherry-finished vanity cabinets. Once you've finished marveling at the design within this second-story condominium, you can enjoy the wonderful views of the Venetian Bay and bayfront pool. La Maison amenities also include a community room, waterside picnic area, updated exercise room, assigned carport space, and an extra storage closet. Contact me to learn more about La Maison or any properties in Naples.